Okay, so I just came across this WhisperLiveKit for real-time speech-to-text, and it's honestly blowing my mind.
Wait, WhisperLiveKit. What's the big deal about it compared to regular transcription services?
It's like they've combined several advanced technologies to cut down on lag and improve accuracy. That's a game changer.
Really? So how exactly does it achieve lower latency? Is it just better algorithms?
Well, it utilizes something called simul streaming, which processes chunks of audio intelligently instead of waiting for complete sentences.
Oh wow, that's really interesting. But isn't there a risk of losing context with smaller audio pieces?
That's a good point. They actually mitigate that with intelligent buffering so it sounds seamless.
So it's like a hybrid approach. That might help with context retention after all.
Exactly, and the real kicker, it supports multiple users concurrently without compromising performance.
Okay, that sounds super useful for things like meetings, but how does it handle different speakers?
It has speaker diarization, so it can identify who's talking when.
That's impressive. But if it's identifying multiple speakers, doesn't that complicate the transcription?
Not necessarily. The system can actually switch between speakers smoothly, which adds clarity to the transcript.
That is unexpected, but I'm curious, how reliable is it with accents or different languages?
Great question. While it can detect multiple languages, it sometimes biases towards English, which could be problematic.
That's definitely a limitation worth noting. How about the installation part? Is it user-friendly?
Surprisingly, yes. Just a few commands and you can get it running on your local machine pretty quickly.
That's cool. So, is it mostly for developers or could anyone use it?
Actually, it can be integrated into various applications, making it accessible for more than just developers.
Interesting. It really sounds like it could enhance accessibility for hearing-impaired users.
Absolutely. Imagine live captioning during events or conversations. That's a huge leap forward.
Right, but do we know how accurate its transcriptions are in real time?
The accuracy varies. Some reports say it's around 90% in ideal conditions, but that can drop with heavy background noise.
So there's still room for improvement there. What about its performance with accents?
It does have some struggles with strong accents. It's improving, but not perfect yet.
I'm curious if it learns over time like other AI systems do.
Not exactly. It doesn't self-learn like some other models. It's more about using effective training data.
That's a bit of a letdown. It'd be great if it could adapt as it gets used more.
Definitely, but think about the implications. Real-time transcription could revolutionize how we handle discussions.
Totally. It makes me think about accessibility in education. Can you imagine the impact there?
Yes, incorporating this tech in classrooms could make learning more inclusive.
But then we need to think of privacy issues too. How is sensitive info handled?
Good call. Data privacy is crucial. They claim to manage it well, but issues could arise.
That tension between usefulness and privacy is always a concern. I wonder how they'll navigate that.
Exactly. It's a balancing act for developers, especially in this age of data sensitivity.
Now, considering all this, it seems like a tool with great potential, but also significant challenges.
Right? It's about how we harness that potential responsibly. What's the future looking like for it?
Hopefully more improvements in accuracy and adaptability, while also addressing privacy concerns.
And as long as it keeps pushing the boundaries of accessibility, we're headed in the right direction.
Agreed. This really got me thinking about the future of communication technology.
Me too. What other breakthroughs do you think we'll see in this space?
I guess we'll just have to wait and see, but I can't wait to follow this journey.